Greetings YouTube, it's Easter Sunday. This is a very quick video. I just decided what I'm going to do with the hinge for the wind turbine, and I wanted to show you this, and then the next video will be probably quite a long one, me fitting this. So I've made these plates myself, pretty good tolerance on them. This has to be connected somewhere here, and then so the outer ones, no, the inner ones, sorry, so that one and that one have to be connected to the frame, so that one and that one connected to the frame approximately here and here. So yeah, the inner one, the inner squares have to be connected to the frame, this thing, and then these have to be connected to the frame on the outside on some kind of bracket, so it can be slid forward and backwards like that. So yeah, that's just a quick update for today. I don't know if I explained, I welded something on. That's how the that's how the downside's looking right about now. So I'm quite happy with a bit random. I did say before, I've left these bolts deliberately long in case I want to do something here, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So that's going to be the hinge, and that'll be the next video. So have a nice Sunday. Sweet. The other thing I didn't say, I flattened down these two bits here where the weld was sticking up. This weld obviously doesn't matter so much now because of the frame with the bolts, but I will grind that down a bit. So sweet.